they do? Hello again and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be making a homemade detox. So I'm going to be juicing and blending. Here I'm going to be using some aloe vera, apples, some fresh turmeric, ginger, parsley, celery, and some cucumber. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to juice all my fruits and veg in my juicer, after which I'm going to be blending the juice together with some of the aloe vera and some frozen avocado. The first thing I'm going to do here now is just to juice all my fruits and veg in my juicer, and I'm just going to push them into the chute here and juice them. So now I'm going to be juicing my parsley, and with all green leafy vegetables they tend to be a bit more difficult to juice. So what I'm going to do here is to wrap my ginger and turmeric into the parsley, and I'm going to wrap it here tightly, forming it into somewhat of a ball, but just to wrap it very tightly here. I'm going to add the apples into the chute of the juicer. This is going to help me to hold the parsley and firmly juice it so I can get more of the juice from it. So now that I've finished juicing the parsley, I'm going to continue juicing the celery here. And one of the beautiful benefits of juicing celery, it is very good to have daily if you suffer from high blood pressure. So here you can see the amount of juice I managed to get from juicing all my fruits and veg. So now I'm going to prepare my aloe vera, and I'm just going to slice the two sides off and remove it from the skin. And I will not be wasting any of my aloe vera. I'm going to use the bits I'm not using here in my juice. I'm going to use that on my skin because it's good to use also on your face. So that's my aloe vera. It's now into my blender, and I'm going to be adding my avocado here. And here I have some frozen avocado. It's only because I have excess amount of avocado at home and I didn't want it to spoil, so I chose to freeze it. So now I'm going to add my juice, and I'm going to blend this in my NutriBullet to make a beautiful homemade detox. So here we go. Now we're ready to blend. So we're now going to blend this until it is very smooth and has the texture of maybe a smoothie. One of the beautiful things about blending the aloe vera and combining it with avocado is that it helps to remove the bitterness from the aloe vera. Well, I can say for me, I always combine both because I don't like the bitterness from the aloe vera. So I find when I do have aloe vera and combine it with avocado, you don't taste the bitterness at all. So now I'm going to serve my beautiful blend here so I can have my detox at home. So there we have it, 2 beautiful glasses of refreshing and tasty detox drink. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel, and also remember to turn your notification bells on so you do get notified when we do upload more videos like these. Thanks again for watching. Enough love. Bye.